Welcome to another video of The Modern Educator, because learning can be fun.
Now we move to one event which changes the world forever, and especially what we learn at schools, like this university. First Industrial Revolution, one more time, where? Great Britain. Do not say, please, Germany. Some people even say Russia. No, not even America. So in the 18th, 19th century, Britain was the most powerful empire in the world. So do not be surprised why the first Industrial Revolution happened there. What changed? What was the biggest change? Right, so until the first Industrial Revolution, we'll do everything by hand. For the first time now, we start to have machines, steam engine, steam power. Now pay attention, during the first Industrial Revolution, there is no electricity. First Industrial Revolution, there is no electricity. And what we said, finally human or animal labor is substituted with machine labor. And the biggest and most important thing for business schools like IFB, IBSS, is that for the first time, large organizations or businesses were created, and then people realized, okay, we need now those guys who will one day be called managers. And this is where management starts to develop.
Subscribe, share and enjoy, because learning can be fun.